Emergency call. And they're off. Early lead is taken by emergency call. Field runner Biba Bola Bange, and Federer is bringing up the rear. And heading for the backstretch, it's field runner by the rail, followed by emergency call on the outside. In second, running in third by the rail is entry number 1, and that is Bange. Biba Bola moving up on the outside, and Federer is closing in. And into the backstretch, emergency call. It's emergency call in the lead, followed by Biba Bola on the outside, field runner, Bange and Federer. At the mid-back stretch, it's still emergency call in the lead, followed by entry number 2, field runner, Biba Bola, Federer moving up on the inside, and Bange. Rounding the far turn, emergency call on the outside by the rail is field runner, and Biba Bola remains in third. But it's still emergency call in the lead. It's emergency call in the lead, followed by field runner by the rail, and Biba Bola. It's emergency call on the outside, field runner. Biba Bola now moving up on the outside. Emergency call, Biba Bola on the outside, and field runner by the rail in third, and closing in. It's entry number 1, Bange on the outside. And into the home stretch, Biba Bola on the outside. It's still Biba Bola in the lead, followed by emergency call, field runner moving up once again by the rail, and Bange on the paddle outside, and Federer. And hearing the payoff line, it is still Biba Bola in the lead, field runner, Bange on the outside, and emergency call. And finally at the payoff line, it's Biba Bola, Bange, field runner, emergency call, and
mukhang 4-1-2 ang dating